Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the CPU you have installed on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. And this is easy to do. I have an MSI laptop and I want to go ahead and just check this. I can hit Ctrl Alt Delete on my keyboard and I can open up the task manager. Otherwise, going down to the search bar right here and type the little search icon and type in task space manager and then go to this, open it up and go down to performances. Now, the first one will be CPU. You can see the utilization right here and the base speed, or the current speed right here. But if we go to the right, we can see it says 11th Gen Intel R Core TM i5 11400H at 2.7 gigahertz. So that's the base speed right down here. And that's probably the easiest way to go ahead and find out what kind of CPU you have on your computer. And you can do the same thing with your RAM. You can see I have 32 gigabytes installed, the speed down here, and I have slot 1 and 2 used. And then we have the disk. We have Kingston SNV SSD, GPU, Intel, and then we have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. And you have more information about everything there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.